Hello everyone, my name is Francois Vergis. I'm a CWNE and instructor for Wi-Fi Training.com, and today we are going to talk about radio frequencies. So this first module covers some RF fundamentals in order for us to better understand how Wi-Fi works. We're going to start by talking about the electromagnetic scale and where the frequencies used by Wi-Fi are located on this scale. We will go over some RF characteristics and RF behaviors. We will explain some RF terminologies that you can find in Wi-Fi documentations. We will go over the RF component that you find in Wi-Fi client and Wi-Fi access points. We will explain some antenna characteristics. And finally, we will go over how Wi-Fi transmission works over the RF medium. So let's start by talking about the electromagnetic scale. The electromagnetic scale refers to all the known frequencies and their corresponding wavelength. We will see later in this video that wavelength and frequencies are related to one another, and they are both a characteristic of a radio wave. Now, the section we're specifically interested in today here, it's called the radio frequency or the radio wave spectrum, and it's outlined here in orange on the little diagram, and it goes from a wave having a frequency of 3 kHz to a wave having a frequency of 300 GHz. And we can see that it overlaps on the radio and microwave section of the EM spectrum. This radio wave spectrum is used by many other wireless technologies, such as AM radio, broadcast TV, cell phones, GPS, cable TV, and so on. Wi-Fi technologies are currently using 2 frequency bands within this radio wave spectrum. Wi-Fi is currently using the 2.4 GHz band and the 5 GHz band. These bands are considered open bands, meaning that you don't need to purchase a license in order to start using them. On the bright side, it makes the Wi-Fi solution a cheaper solution compared to other wireless communication technologies such as cellular. However, sometimes, since it's an open band, other wireless technologies would be using it and interfering with Wi-Fi. And some example of other wireless technologies interfering with Wi-Fi on these bands, especially on the 2.4 GHz band, would be Bluetooth, older DECT phones technologies, microwave ovens, and some security wireless cameras, just to name a few.